Welcome to the future of bedroom organization, where design meets innovation in the form of smart wardrobes. In this video, we're unveiling the top 50 wardrobe designs that are redefining how we think about storage, style, and daily routines. So sit back, get inspired, and let's explore what modern smart wardrobes have to offer. We begin with a visual treat, a sleek contemporary bedroom where the centerpiece isn't the bed, but a stunning high-tech wardrobe system. It's clean, minimalist, and effortlessly blends with the aesthetics of the room. Today's design trends are moving away from bulky, old-fashioned furniture towards space-saving, multifunctional solutions. And that's exactly what smart wardrobes deliver, maximizing every inch of space while simplifying your life. But what makes a wardrobe smart? Let's dive into the features that are quickly becoming must-haves. First up, automated lighting. Gone are the days of fumbling in the dark. Built-in LED lighting not only enhances visibility inside your wardrobe, but also adds a luxurious glow that elevates the entire room ambience. It's practical, it's beautiful, and once you try it, there's no going back. Next, imagine a wardrobe that knows exactly what you own. Digital inventory management is revolutionizing how we organize our clothes. These systems track your items, suggest daily outfits, and even alert you when something's missing from your go-to look. It's like having a personal stylist and closet assistant rolled into one. And then there's personalized climate control. Yes, your wardrobe can now maintain ideal temperature and humidity levels. This is crucial for protecting delicate fabrics, preventing wrinkles, and keeping your garments fresh year-round. It's a small feature with a massive impact, especially for those who value the longevity of their wardrobe. Now, let's peek into the future. Because smart wardrobes are only getting smarter, AI is stepping into your closet with AI-powered styling recommendations. These systems analyze your wardrobe, consider the weather forecast, upcoming events, and your personal style, then suggest the perfect outfit. It's personalized fashion advice at the tap of a screen. Another game changer? Smart mirror integration. These mirrors don't just reflect your image, they provide virtual try-ons, real-time outfit visualizations, and even style tips based on what you're wearing. It's interactive, intuitive, and incredibly futuristic. And as technology evolves, so does our awareness of the environment. Many of today's top wardrobe designs now focus on sustainable materials and energy-efficient features, proving that style and responsibility can go hand in hand. So how do you choose the right smart wardrobe system for your home? Start with space and budget. Not every bedroom can accommodate a walk-in wardrobe, and that's okay. Today's modular systems are designed to be flexible, so even small rooms can enjoy the benefits of smart storage. Next, look for customization options. Adjustable shelving, hidden drawers, and modular compartments ensure your wardrobe adapts to your unique needs. And don't forget about smart home integration. Many of the best systems now sync seamlessly with your existing setup, whether you're using Google Home, Amazon Alexa, or Apple HomeKit. Voice commands, app controls, and remote access. It's all possible with the right system. In the end, it's about more than storage. A smart wardrobe is a lifestyle upgrade. It declutters your space, saves you time, and adds a touch of elegance and intelligence to your bedroom. So if you're dreaming of a more organized, efficient, and beautiful space, a smart wardrobe is the way to go. Explore the latest innovations, compare your options, and find the perfect design that fits your life. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more smart home design inspiration.